Moicano 31, Rafael Fiziev still on the right side of 30. Moicano taller by 3 inches.
Fighting out of Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, by way of Phuket, Thailand, Rafael Abdaman Fiziev, Renato Moicano.
As long as the fight is standing, Fiziev is a dangerous man. Stands out to me is his technical acumen.
He looks so relaxed, right? Fiziev looks so relaxed.
Look at, I mean, come on. Look at the way he's just letting those go. You're probably baffled. This down to the ground.
He's gone southpaw a couple times, and Moicano has landed when he's gone lefty.
An inside low kick. And another. Look how fast he lets loose that left kick.
Stand with him. I know that he's finding a little bit of success, but try to get takedowns. Use his wrestling, even though he's finding
that this was part of the approach.
They believe that they, well, I mean, he seems so confident.
Ooh!
That's why, nice shot.
Lightweight. I think that guy was torturing himself. Awesome stuff.
Blistering combination there from Rafael Fiziev.
That left kick to the body just comes out of nowhere.
Should kind of throw you to the ground. That nice Muay Thai sweep that you just saw Fiziev do.
Rafael Fiziev immediately, but Rafael Fiziev, the real deal.
Oh, Joe, you said not to play with fire.
Winner by knockout, Rafael Abdaman Fiziev.